The Canadian Arctic is teeming with wildlife. And in Nunavut, Canada, the gator has been part of the ecosystem since 2013. It's an invaluable tool for Arctic Watch Lodge, the northernmost lodge in the world. Out here, having a dependable vehicle is everything.
We've had John Deere Gators at Arctic Watch for almost 10 years now. They're basically an all-around workhorse.
And behind the wheel, you'll find the Webbers, a family of polar adventurers who brought this operation to life more than 20 years ago. Richard and Josie led the way with their 4 decades of Arctic exploration. But nowadays, their sons Tessum and Nansen are at the helm. Nansen's been shooting wildlife professionally for over a decade and leads production crews and expeditions through the Arctic.
Tessum and I were very privileged. We were able to spend a couple summers basically with the Inuit nomadic tribes.
And Tessum holds the title of the youngest person to ski to the North Pole. It's all this experience that makes it possible for the Webbers' guests to kayak, hike, and take in the beauty of one of the world's last beluga nurseries. Because it doesn't matter how remote, harsh, or vast the land may be. When you have a gator on your land, every day is a new adventure. Nothing runs like a deer.